Arguably, this is the EV charger that needs no introduction, but I'm going to do one anyway. This is the Andersen A2, the most premium EV charger on the market, and it has a price tag to match too. But is it worth it? So let's get the essentials out the way. Clearly, this is a statement piece, but behind that gorgeous face, you get a charger that is capable of up to 22 kilowatt charging, and you get a range of cable lengths as well, from 5.5 meters, 6.5 and 8.5 meters. Though if you opt for the 22 kilowatt package, then you're stuck with the 6.5 meter cable. And of course, you get the handy companion app, which will cover all your car charging and scheduling needs. Obviously, the standout USP here is that stunning design. And in fact, there's over 100 combinations, so you can decide what color the back is and what color the front is. And with the front, you have a choice of metal or this amazing Accoya wood, which is my personal favorite. The finish is exquisite and unrivaled in my opinion. Yes, you could argue that the Simpson & Partners Home 7 series comes the closest in terms of aesthetics, but really the Andersen A2 stands out on its own in terms of design and sheer build quality. The other major USP is the A2's cable storage solution. So the cable actually wraps around this recess here, and lining that recess are these brushes. So on the way around, your cable gets a nice clean, stops it being wet when it's stored away. And we wouldn't want that now, would we? And then the cable plug sits nicely in this compartment at the top. So what else do we like about the A2? Because frankly, there's a lot beyond just the design and looks of the product, starting with the cable. Andersen call it EvoFlex, which is a pretty fancy name for a charging cable, but truthfully, it is the best that we've had on test so far. It's super light, super flexible as well, so nice and easy to use, plug in, wind up around the charger for that cable storage solution, and it doesn't feel cheap. So thumbs up on that point. The app is also really pleasing to the eye, and of course, what else would we expect from Andersen? It looks really nice, it's really easy to use and navigate. Plus, it has the standard features you would expect from any smart charger nowadays. So the scheduling is a pretty standard affair. It does what it needs to do and was very easy to use in our testing. Also, another neat feature in the app is the ability to remote lock the Andersen A2 from unwanted use. Now, we've explained in another video why it's very unlikely someone else is going to rock up and just use your charger without you knowing, but it's reassuring all the same. There's also solar integration with the Andersen A2. Now, we weren't able to test this ourselves, so it's best to go online and just check what others have said about this particular feature. So, is there anything not to like? Well, not really. The only gripes that we do have are pretty subjective. It is very large. That can't be overstated. It's not going to be missed on your wall, but I suspect that if you're choosing a product like this, you already know that. You know that people are going to be looking at this product, so that shouldn't put you off. While we love the cable storage solution, you do need to get in the Goldilocks zone when you're wrapping it up in order for the charging plug to actually sit in place correctly, right at the top here. So you can see if you don't have it quite right, it's not going to actually sit in. So you have to wrap it quite tightly. But after a little while, you get the hang of it. So should you buy the Andersen A2? Well, it really comes down to that price tag and whether you're happy to pay it, because there really isn't anything else like this EV charger. The looks are unrivaled, the build quality is unrivaled. No other charger has a cable storage solution like this one. So it does just come down to whether you are happy to part with that cash and pay for a charger such as this. If you are, I'm sure you won't be disappointed. I hope you found this review of the Andersen A2 helpful. We have a lot more details though in our online written review. Simply head to the website or click the link in the description below to find out more. Thanks again for watching and see you next time.